Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla oil. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and some safety gloves. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter specifically for your Corolla. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the precise oil type and the exact capacity, which is typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Toyota Corolla using a sturdy jack and always secure it firmly with jack stands for your protection. Once the car is elevated, locate the oil drain plug, which is usually found on the oil pan beneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly under the plug, then carefully remove the plug to allow all the old engine oil to completely drain out. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter. This helps ensure a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with your wrench, but do not over-tighten. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Reinstall the drain plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it, which could strip the threads. Now, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine's oil fill port, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then turn it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.